All right, how's everybody doing? This is Chris Hilton and Mike Tengan for another episode of Limitless.
Aloha, everyone. Welcome, welcome.
We're going to be talking about the universal laws. The one we're on today is mentalism, which is the universe is mind. And a lot of people are very familiar with this. We're just going to open up a little bit more of the onion. So this is the one that everybody says thoughts become things. So there's a little bit more to it than that. So get more in depth you go, the more you grow. So basically the overview of this is I'm going to give a quick overview of thoughts becoming things, the law of mentalism, and then Mike's going to do a meditation right afterwards. And so the idea is that we give you a little bit of knowledge, then an experience of what we're speaking about. And then we get some reflection, time to answer questions. Now, obviously this is a recording, so if you have any questions, please put them in our Facebook page under Limitless, and we will get around to answering them as soon as we can. So let's get this started here. Share screen. Bring up this screen right here. What is this? Boom. So here we are. This is our title page. You'll see also on our Facebook if you search for Limitless Human Potential Movements. So harness your power of your thoughts and live by the universal law. So the universal law is a way to understand the machine that we live in. Yes, we do live in a machine. It's called the universe, and it's a little more than a car, but it's a vehicle. If you understand how the vehicle works, you can better interface with it. So you can see the way the things giving you information. You see the reflection of yourself in the outside world. You see how things and events are moving, and you can react to those in a way that advances yourself more fluidly. Okay? So law of mentalism, understand the science behind the mysticism of this. This model is actually not mine. Not many things I teach are mine. These are all thousands and thousands of years old. I've just gathered a lot of information together to present to you in a more clear and concise way. So what we're starting off right here is Thomas Wilhite's version, and then there's a little expansion I do on the end of this that kind of explores a little deeper than Thomas Wilhite. Thomas Wilhite started size seminars about 45 years ago. It's one of the oldest personal development companies in the US, so you can check that out. So we're going to talk about the conscious mind. This is the mind that you're aware of. This is your mind you think with and you interface with the outside world, and how we use this to create in our world. So we're going to describe this as a way that we build a building, and so we're building our dreams. So our conscious mind is the architect. So what does this mean? The architect draws a plan, right? Two-dimensional thing, maybe makes a model, but they don't actually go into how to build the structure, the type of materials to use in different places, how to lay the ground out. They may have some knowledge about this, but they're not truly the ones that build. They're the ones who design the plans. And that is your job as a conscious creator, is to actually put out a plan out there and dictate it with a date, okay? And clearly and concisely describing your plan to the universe and how you're going to go ahead and repay the universe for this. Okay, so it's not a one-way street. There's always balancing things. So a date, what you want, and how you're going to give back to the universe with this creation. Okay, because in the creation as being the highest and greatest good, you're going to return to the universe. Okay. That's something people write down, or I actually write mine down. It's on the back of my phone, you can see right here. And I read that whenever I get, hold my phone and I can feel it in the back. And I'll read it to myself. So the technique that Bob Proctor uses to get that thought in your mind of what your dream is. And what you're doing with that is actually shifting your energy into a place of higher vibration of the feeling of the realized dream. So that's the architect. The architect is to put out that emotion of the dream, okay? And then relax and allow your subconscious mind. So what you're going to do as an architect is push this information, impress it down to your subconscious mind through repetition and emotion into your subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is equivalent to an engineer. Now, the engineer is trusted to create the how to build something. Okay? So the engineer collects the bits and puts it together. All right, so where does he get the bits from? Now, this is the deeper part here, the subconscious mind. It connects to the superconscious mind. Now, the superconscious mind in quantum physics is called the universal field, the quantum hologram, or the universal mind. Quantum physics has realized there's some kind of thing that is intelligence that brings order to everything, or else things would just fly apart. You think of your body, if it was chaos, it'd never be able to hold together. So the quantum physics is now recognizing there is some kind of consciousness out there, because it's intelligence that creates order in our world, or in the universe. And that's, in this diagram, is described as the subconscious mind. And the subconscious mind is in charge of bringing the materials to you, your subconscious mind, and the subconscious mind puts it together, and your conscious mind directs it. Okay? So when you have a goal, you'll notice that sometimes you're not always on track. Well, if you go off track, your conscious mind brings it back in again, and then you allows the subconscious mind to bring the materials in. So that's where focus comes in. One of our higher senses is focus. The more you're focused upon your goal, the more attention the subconscious mind gets with that goal, and the more quickly it comes about. It's a higher form of repetition. Okay? So the beauty of this, the actual size of the idea does not matter to the superconscious mind. Actually, the bigger the idea, the better, because it lets your conscious mind disengage and allows the subconscious mind and the superconscious mind to do their jobs. Okay, that's an amazing thing, to let go and let it happen. Not knowing how to do your goal is a good thing. And being afraid of your goal because it's so big is a good thing, because it disengages our want to control that we're taught in school, that we're taught by our families, about the consciousness of this society right now is to control everything. Well, really, letting go is how everything happens. So create something so big that it kind of scares you. And that way you let go and allow it to happen as it happens. Okay? I kind of talked about this already. I kind of spilled the beans here, but how do I speak to my subconscious mind? It is through feeling. Okay, so all these words that you write down, all these mantras that you say, they're designed to create a feeling within you. And it's the feeling of the realized dream, that moment that you realize the dream, that feeling, you want to feel it now. Okay, when we spoke about vibration, or the law of attraction, which we'll be going over again in about a month, we spoke about this is your dream level vibration up here, and this is where you are, all right? And if you create that feeling within your body will elevate there and attract it to you. If you're down here just saying, well, when this is done and this is done, this is done, then I'll feel good. No, that's you want to feel good now. Feeling good now is really what everybody wants. Why are you going to wait until somebody else or something else happens? Why don't you just feel good now? Practice that feeling of the realized dream. Make it happen now. Really feel it. So yeah, we just spoke about this. What you're feeling is what you're attracting. There we go. So how does the universe gather the supplies that you need? This is a question that a few people put forward here. Well, this is what the superconscious mind really looks like. It's a bunch of other, everything in creation is all connected to it. All our conscious and subconscious minds are all connected to the superconscious mind. Now, when you impress something to the subconscious, it picks up the phone and starts making calls to all its buddies across the galaxy, right? And the stuff will come to you. The things you need, the relationships you need, the money that you need will flow to you as you align with that vibration. It will flow to you and draw it in to your awareness. And as you see it in your awareness, that is the moment of action. Okay, this is not something you just lie around and meditate and everything happens. This is an action world. So when you see it and you feel it and the moment's right, go for it. Take action on that. Action is a part of your growth. Okay? So we are all connected through the superconscious mind. I'm going to be quiet now, and I'm going to allow Michael to take over, and he's going to give us a meditation that's going to allow us to connect to the superconscious mind. So here you go, Mike.
Aloha, everyone. Michael here to guide you through the experience of being connected to not merely your conscious, subconscious, really your superconscious mind is like. And to facilitate that, we're going to go into a meditation. So first and foremost, I'm going to ask you all to sit comfortably where you are and merely close your eyes. Now, with your eyes closed, allow yourself to bring the fullness of your attention and your awareness upon breath. Allow your consciousness to rest deep within your lungs. And with each and every breath in, feel yourself becoming more aware of this present moment. And with each and every breath out, feel that release as you become more open and receptive to the here and the now. And in this moment, become aware of your physical body, your feet and your ankles, your legs, your thighs and your hips. Become aware of the length of your spine, your abdomen, all of your organs, your chest and your back. Become aware of your hands and fingers, your arms and shoulders, your neck, your head, and the entirety of your body. Now, fully aware of your body, focus upon the expansion of your energetic self. Feel yourself as if you're growing beyond the boundaries of your physical body. Now growing larger and expanding further beyond the boundaries of the room you are currently in. Feel yourself as you continue to grow, now faster and further as you continue now to grow beyond the boundaries of the town that you live in, the city, the state. Feel yourself as you continue now to elevate and to expand, now breaching the clouds and the atmosphere itself, beyond the boundaries of Earth, growing now faster and further. See the planets and the solar system as you continue to grow and extend. Feel yourself as you now expand beyond the boundaries of the galaxy that we live in. Further, faster, until we reach the very ends of the known universe itself. Here we pause, now, connected to all. And as we pause in this place, where time and space hold no meaning, look now to 1 year from now at the ideal version of yourself, with all the qualities, characteristics, and capabilities. You in that ideal place, doing what you love to do, with whom you wish to be with. Whatever this means for you. And now as we connect to this ideal version of ourselves, take a moment to merely become aware of the feelings and the sensations, the joy and the exhilaration, the love, the fun of being in this place. As you allow all these feelings now to flood your very being, bringing these qualities, this version of an ideal self, fully present into the now. Allow these sensations to be fully experienced deep within your heart and deep within yourself. Now, with these sensations and this experience of your ideal self, here now, we allow ourselves to now, once more, bring our consciousness back into our physical body and being. Feel yourself now as this energetic self returns from the furthest reaches of the universe, now, once more back into our galaxy, back within our solar system, back once more now beyond the planets to Earth, back now within our atmosphere, to the state, to the town, to where you currently dwell. Back once more into your physical body, becoming aware now of your head and your neck, your upper torso, your shoulders, arms, hands, and fingers. Once more, become aware of your spine, your hips, your legs, your ankles, and your feet. Now centered and grounded, connected and aware. Breathe out. Allow all air now to expire from your lungs. Breathe in slowly, deeply, and hold this breath. Exhale, heavy with a sigh. Allow that release. Once more. Breathe in slowly, deeply, and hold this breath. Exhale, allow that release. And when you feel ready, please, once again, open your eyes and engage the world around you. All right, welcome back, everyone. Chris?
Yeah, that was awesome, Mike. Thanks.
You're very welcome. It's always a great experience to really connect to the truly limitless capacity that each and every one of us has, and get back into that space to recalibrate, to best move forward. So thank you all for participating. And Chris, for that extraordinary introduction.
All right, so Mike and I are available. Just contact us through our Limitless page on Facebook. And any questions, any comments, we also are coaches for personal development, goal achieving, physical, mental, emotional, spiritual issues. We work holistically, actually, with our clients. So contact us if you have any questions, just want to chat, or looking for somebody to help guide you through some problems that you have. So goals you wish to achieve, all right? To fulfill your limitless potential. All right. Cool. Thank you very much.
Ahui ho.